Well, good morning from Cletus. King Cletus. Maybe we call you King Cletus now, huh? Just wasn't really in the walking mood so much this morning. And I'm doing an adoption event with him this weekend. So I wanted to introduce him to this idea of just going along in a wagon, and I don't have to carry him. And he'll still get out and walk and take care of business and all that. But what do you think, buddy? Probably no risk of jumping out, huh? All right, I'm gonna lift you out and you can take care of business, have some time, and then we'll get back in the wagon, okay? I'm a sweet boy. All right.